Hello, this is Gary Zaccaria, and thanks for taking time to join me today here. OPMcredit.com sponsoring how private hard money lenders can fund your deals in as quickly as 24 hours. That's me in the picture on the bottom right with my daughter's dog Corduroy. And today we're going to talk about the fundamentals to show you how to get these deals done using these resources. Mainly we're going to focus today on how you fund your next deal. We want you to understand that hard money lenders are funding. 24 to 48 hour funding is common, and that lenders actually need good deals to fund. They give you the guidelines, but they want you to bring them a solid loan package so they can get it funded. Let's talk first about hard money lenders and why they're funding these deals. The most important thing to remember is that banks are not loaning money right now to investors, so billions of dollars in private hard money is being loaned. The real estate markets have shown signs now that they are stabilizing. In some areas they're even appreciating, which means there are tremendous opportunities today for investors. So the lenders need you. They need your loans, they need your packages, and they need to be able to get this money loaned out to be able to generate income. Now, what do lenders do? They focus on specific lending areas. Each lender has a specific area. They focus on specific property types. Some lenders will do several types of loans. Some lenders will only do one type of loan. For example, they might be a commercial lender or a residential lender. Some lenders actually loan both. So you need to focus specifically on the types of loans that they are offering. 24 to 48 hour funding is actually very common. Lenders are very quick to make decisions when they have complete information. So the better your loan package is prepared, the faster your loan will be processed. Some lenders are capable of being able to do same-day loans. That means that they can actually review, fund, and approve the loan. And if you have a title company that can work as quick, they can actually get the job done for you within that time frame. So lenders do fund good deals. The main thing to remember, and this is advantageous to you, they want to avoid risk. So they're looking for deals that have low LTV, typically in the range of 60 to 65%. But not only that, they're looking for the deals that have good quick sell value. That means that they want the ability to permit themselves to be able to recover their money in the event that you don't follow through on your loan. A good quick sell value would be a property that's in a great market area. That means that it's in an area where their property is in demand. You can go into areas and find literally blocks and blocks of unoccupied properties these days. Lenders are more reluctant to loan money in those areas because when those properties are not occupied, families are reluctant to move into those areas. So it becomes more difficult to resell a property when every other property around it is also available. So look for good market areas where there's some demand. Let's talk about the lender guidelines. A lender's guidelines help you to plan your investing strategy. So remember, this is key. Build your strategy around the availability of funding, not the reverse. Don't first build your strategy and then go look for the funding. So investing can be nationwide, it can be regional, it can be local, but the important thing to remember is to match the deal to the lender program. It makes it much easier for you to get deals completed. The lenders are looking for solid loan packages, and private hard money lenders say right now that 50 to 70% of loan packages are incomplete, they lack documents, they're disorganized, or they're not prepared correctly. So even though investors think they're doing it right, most of the time they're not. The unfortunate thing is that lenders do judge your deal by how your loan package is prepared. So if your loan package is not prepared correctly, your deal is not going to be taken seriously. So incomplete loan packages are not going to get approved. So how can you get these deals funded? Well, that's the purpose of talking about the fundamentals today, so you can learn how to use these resources, because there are several strategies that you can use right now that can help you get more deals done. One of the first things that you should consider is to partner up. You do not have to work alone in this type of a real estate market, because a good partner can help you in a number of ways. Maybe they have better credit than you do. Maybe they can bring in down payment funds or other funds that might be necessary for appraisals, or things of that nature. Maybe your partner has rehab experience where they can help you with rehab and remodeling. Maybe they already know a buyer, a family that wants to acquire a property, or they can help you find the properties, or they want to specialize on marketing the properties. So there's a lot of reasons for you to consider partnering up with a reliable person that you can work on, because dividing the profits on these deals is still very substantial, and you can make a lot of profit through partnering up. The second thing is to improve your loan package. Make sure that your loan package is complete and has all of the proper documentation. That means you don't want to settle for average property deals. Make sure that you put everything in the loan package that details why your property is not an average property. Create a strong exit strategy that matches the lender's program so they know that you're focused on what they're trying to do. And then clearly communicate your exit strategy. Do not just say that you're going to sell the property. Tell them how you're going to sell it. Maybe you have 200 people on your buyers list from that area who've already expressed interest, or you already have a pocket buyer. Get into some detail about how you're going to market it, because that is what's most important to them, so they know how they're going to get paid back. The next thing you can do is create leverage for yourself. What we mean by that is, you've heard the term having skin in the game. Well, here's a way that you can actually show a lender that you do have skin in the game, and it's a great advantage to yourself at the same time. As you complete a deal, to help buyers qualify, instead of slashing the price $10,000, take back a seller finance note as a second. That gives you another revenue stream, and it also helps you to use those seller finance notes, because you can use those as future cross collateralization that you can pledge with hard money lenders to help you get more loans done. At the same time, you're still getting the revenue and the cash flow from those seller finance notes. So using that type of cross collateral properties, seller finance notes, helps lenders to reduce risk, and it demonstrates that you have commitment to the deal and that they know that you're not just going to walk away from them if they get you funded. The private money lender source is one of the most important tools, because it has the 300 top private hard money lenders that you can deal with direct. Now, these lend on residential and commercial investment property, not owner-occupied property. So it's national, regional, and local lenders. And it also includes the rehab hard money lenders and the flash lenders, or the transactional lenders who do A to B to C transactions. And we're going to talk more about that in future seminars. The Ultimate REO Report, we feel probably is the most underutilized resource that we offer, simply because people do not realize how many excellent properties are in these 60 sources for the bank-owned, government-owned REO and foreclosed property. You can find amazing properties. You search online by property type, price range, city and state, and with the Ultimate REO Report, because you're going directly to the source, there are no monthly fees. You get all contact information, and it helps you really get these deals moving. The Hard Money Loan Blueprint is basically a tool so you create a better loan package. You do it right the first time. And that increases your chances, because you learn the hard money loan process and you avoid making mistakes in your submission, so you can get more deals approved. The Active Buyers Magnet is important because it gives you more options. It creates multiple streams of buyers. They can be home buyers, they can be wholesale buyers, and having these buyer lists is what is going to help you to monetize the REO equity that you find in these properties and get that into profits. It also strengthens your exit strategies and gives you the options to be able to use flash funding and transactional funding. So what do we need to understand? You build a core foundation here with your real estate investing business by using these tools together. You use these powerful investor tools together. You have them to find the properties, to find the funding, to help you find the buyers, to help you put together better loan packages. So you put these resources to work so you can take your real estate investing to the next level. If you don't have a solid foundation, it's hard to succeed. So the point is, let's start getting the deals done. Match your deals to the right lenders. Learn how and put the effort in to find the best property. Start improving the quality of your loan packages. And above all, build your buyers list. Get that underway. Get that buyers list so it's something that you control. It's not a worn out buyers list that other investors are already calling. These are people that are looking in the for the properties in the areas that you're already working. The investors who work with us have these resources. Most of the people that we work with are using one or more of them. We recommend that you have all four because it gives you that much more flexibility, and it kind of helps you to build a core so you have all of the elements in place so you can start to get these transactions done. So it's very important, and we're going to be training you more on these resources. We want you to become more successful in getting more deals done and more consistently. The main thing is you can do it. We want you to become part of the inner circle of the real estate investors who are taking action to make it happen. They're out there doing it, and you can do it too. Subscribers get a special rate today. Thanks for coming to the seminar, and have a great day. We look forward to seeing you again soon.